Hi and welcome to this video on the first part of Numpy array operations. Hi, I'm Raghavendra, an expert in AI, ML and data engineering. By the end of this video, you will be able to apply different operations on a Numpy array. So let's first import the Numpy array. And these are some of the Numpy array operations which we are going to look at. Matrix multiplication, transpose, flatten and reshape. So these are the operations which we are going to look at in this video. First, let's perform matrix multiplication. So we take two matrices, mat1 and mat2. So to perform matrix multiplication, the @ operator is being used between the two matrices. Right. So this is the multiplication, matrix multiplication of the two matrices mat1 and mat2. So please note the columns of the first matrix to be equal to the rows of the second matrix to make two matrices compatible for matrix multiplication. So similarly, we can use this function matmul of mat1 and mat2, which does the same thing, performs matrix multiplication between two matrices. So np.multiply on the contrary is going to perform element by element multiplication. Please note, it is not matrix multiplication, it is element by element. It takes the first element of the first matrix, multiplies with the first element of the second matrix. It takes the second element of the first matrix, multiplies it with the second element of the second matrix and so on. So that is what your np.multiply does. So you can see that that is very similar to mat1 star mat2. It does the element by element multiplication. So in case you want to do the actual matrix multiplication, right, in that case you have to use either the @ operator or the matmul function. Moving on, let's look at the transpose. How do we perform the transpose of a matrix? Transpose of a matrix where the rows will be converted to columns and columns to rows, and m by n matrix will be converted to a n by m matrix. So when I say np.transpose here of this matrix, so this is a row matrix and it's going to be converted into a column matrix. Right, and I have a mat1 over here which is going to be transposed as what you see here, right. So rows to columns and columns to rows are going to be converted. Moving on, flatten is a function which is going to convert any higher dimensional array into one dimensional. So you have a two-dimensional array, a.flatten is going to give you a one-dimensional array. Right, and again you have a three-dimensional array over here where you have a list within a list within a list, and a.flatten is going to give you a one-dimensional array. Always the output of flatten is one-dimensional. Let's then move on to understand what is reshape. Reshape is going to reshape the array into a specified shape. Right. So I have this Numpy array, a one-dimensional Numpy array. It's going to be converted into a 2x4 matrix. Yep, here you go. So here is another Numpy array. I'm going to convert it to a 2x2 matrix. I convert it to a 1x4 matrix. One row, four columns, a 4x1 matrix. It's going to give me a column matrix. A shorthand notation to get these row matrix and a column matrix is reshape of 1, -1 is going to give you a row matrix, and the shorthand notation for getting a column matrix is a.reshape of -1, 1 is going to give you a column matrix. So a.reshape of 1, -1 is going to give you a row matrix, and a.reshape of -1, 1 is going to give you a column matrix. Here are the key takeaways from this video. @ operator performs matrix multiplication and star performs element by element multiplication. When transpose is applied, m by n matrix will be transposed into a n by m matrix. Flatten converts the higher dimensional Numpy array into a one-dimensional array, and reshape is going to reshape the array into any specified shape. Thank you for watching this video.